I would welcome all the dignitaries, and it's an honor for me here in the morning on this August day to give you a small introduction of what Sai family is and what we are. So it's a real honor, and I'm just going to run you through with the achievements of the Sai family and what we represent. Last year we started this process of Sai Commerce Conclave, and it was a huge success and very well received by the entire state of Orissa, and we want to make it a national thing and a national conclave. And this is one of the important things that the Sai school is trying to do every year. Just to give you a brief introduction of the school, I must tell you that our board results this year have been tremendous, and we have got in the commerce stream 97.2%, 97% and 95.2% as the three toppers. And these children are also the state toppers, and they have found their way into SRCC Delhi. This is the subject highest of our school students. You can see there are multiple hundreds in them. Overall, in the science as well as in the commerce stream, we have got quite high average, and the school average has been around 81.05 and 83.84% has been the commerce average. This is a pie chart of where the children after completing class 12 have been going to. And if you can see that many of the children have cleared JEE Advanced, BITSAT, NIT, AIPMT, Orissa JEE Medicine, OJE Engineering, NISA, SRCC, CPT, CLAT. So almost 70% of the students of class 12 have currently made it to one or the other good college after class 12. So this is how the commerce school average has been increasing over the last 4 years. Currently it is sitting at 83.84%. Many other students have received various prestigious achievements from Sai School. 13 students have got the letters from HRD Minister Ms. Smriti Irani for being the toppers in their subjects. 3 students have got scholarship of rupees 80,000 per year for next 5 years from CBSE and HRD Ministry for pursuing sciences. They are Ankit, Harsh and Ganesh. Vishal and Vikram Aditya Sahu have already got the scholarship of 100% from HKUST, and they still have chosen to join SRCC Delhi. One of the students of our school, Akanksha Acharya, has been representing the school in Glasgow, and she was the one of the few students chosen from Sai International School, and in fact there were only 4 schools chosen from India, from which one child was taken up, and they had represented the schools into the Glasgow Commonwealth Games. We also conducted few days back the Sai Model United Nations. It was a significant leap for us to present to the children the international tradition of debating and settling up disputes, and how the children can manage things by debates and the processes of having simple admissions among themselves and settling down as a global citizen. Not only this, the Sai International School also has been affiliated by University of Cambridge, CBSE International, and of course the Central Board of Secondary Education. We have also been accredited by United Nations Information Center of India and Bhutan. We have got the NABET accreditation, ICAI. We also got the International School Award, and also we have been named as the Microsoft Innovative Schools. CBSE has given us a new name called the CBSE New Generation School. We have global partners with Chosen Hill School, Gloucester, UK, Winterbourne International Academy, Camberton Junior High School, UK, and Churchtown School, Gloucester, UK. Not only the school, it is also the Sai International College of Commerce and Economics which has been making news. We have a great student body, and you can see that the Hall of Fame for the student body is that we have been achieving students with percentages like 94.5%, 93% and further. The students have been representing our college into TiCon Delhi, and this is one of the photographs of our student along with Harsha Bhogle in TiCon Conference, Delhi. The other students representing college in Delhi. 3 of our students last year from the college have cleared IPCC. They are Mukund Agarwal, Adil Karim and Bharat Didwania. Also, the Sai College of Commerce and Economics students have made us proud by winning the University Chancellor's Cup debate. Last year's it was won by Mukund Agarwal and Aditi Agarwal. The students have also sharpened their skills by going into NALCO industrial tours. We have various programs which are organized at the school level, like the welcome ceremony of the new freshers who arrive and join us each year. Not only the welcome, the farewell ceremony, we also celebrate various celebrations like Diwali in the college, the Teachers' Day. We conduct a lot of seminars for the students of the college. The workshops are also there. And there are heritage walks also, so that the students become proud owners of the college, as well as they should be the one who could contribute a lot into the society. The Sai family has been accredited by NABET, which is governed by the Quality Council of India, and this certificate has been received none other than by our chairman, Sir Dr. B.K. Sahu, a few months back in Delhi. We have also been conferred with various awards. We have been ranked number 8 day-cum boarding school, and we have also received an award for the best ICT enabled school in Orissa by e-Orissa. All this does not happen automatically. I think we need to take charge of our own education. And this does not happen at the lower level. It also happens at the topmost level. Not only the students are learning, but here you can see the topmost level of our school, our chairman, Dr. B.K. Sahu, spending time in Harvard University at Harvard Graduate School of Education and trying to learn so that we can learn how to teach, so that we teach how to learn. He was also invited in the London Policymakers Conference for the schools and what the schools need to do in future to give the education a major thrust, not only in India but all over the world. This is an image of the new upcoming building of Sai International College of Commerce and Economics, and this will be ready in next 1 year, and we hope that this is going to bring a boost to the commerce education in the state of Orissa and also in the city of Bhubaneswar. This is how the lecture halls of Sai International College of Commerce are going to look like. They are going to have the perfect ambience and one of the best arrangements possible in the city of Bhubaneswar. We believe that the Indian students deserve the best, and we also believe that we are the people we have been waiting for. An experiential education can make the difference in the future, and that is what we are aiming for, and we hope that we will bring a major change in the commerce education in the city of Bhubaneswar and the state of Orissa. That's all I had to present. Thank you once again.